Vente con mamá. One. Oh. Come here. Two. Three. Four. And five. Oh, six. Oh, bravo, bravo. Good job. Yay. Do you want to try again? Can you put them up again? He did really good that time. Hey, hey, hey. Go back by Papa and you can call to the camera again. What are you eating? Yay. Come here. Oh, you tipped over. Here, can you put them up, Papa? Please? He's practicing. Okay. Say bye.